Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Blended Learning. As you know that in my first video, I have said you that I will be starting a series of study vlogs. This is a video. From now we will begin for the study vlog series. But before that, let me give you some info about it. The study vlog series will consist about 7 videos. In these 7 videos, I will be launching some of the videos which will be more productive and more informative for you all. So trust me, in the end of the series, you will be enjoying this series and you will be productive. Let us begin our video. But before that, let me tell you, I have got the suggestions from all over my family members and also some of my friends that I should use the language so-called English, because the language is only medium to communicate with each other. Hindi and English should be used to make you understand the concept which I will explain you. उससे पहले मैं आपको ये बता देता हूँ कि आज की वीडियो में हमारा टॉपिक क्या है। आज के वीडियो में हमारा ये टॉपिक रहेगा कि हमारे सिलेबस के अंदर यानी कि मेरे मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ। तो स्टडी ब्लॉग्स के अंदर मेरा जो सिलेबस है, मैंने अपनी टिप्स और ट्रिक्स वाली जो फर्स्ट वीडियो थी उसके अंदर ये कहा था कि जो सब्जेक्ट ज़्यादा नया होता है उससे ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है। सो द सब्जेक्ट विच इज़ न्यूली टू मी, I will be covering that subject in the study vlog. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let us begin. Hey guys, as you know that I am studying today economics. The first chapter of the economics is the story of village Palampur. So what I am doing here is that I am just making and underlining the main points of it and also making notes of it. In the next part means that in this video later we will also discuss about that कि हमने जितनी भी सारी चीज़ें करी हैं इस चैप्टर को लेकर, चाहे वो मेन पॉइंट्स क्यों ना हो, we are going to discuss them all and I will be going to explain them all to you. So guys, here I am making my own, or you can say that I am underlining the main points of this chapter. As you can see, the story of village Palampur front page looks like this. I am highlighting the words which need to be carefully read. Here I am just reading the chapter and the concept which are written over there. The first and second concept will be explained by me in the next part of this video. Now I am using short note because this is the main concept of the chapter here, and it will provide me a very good help when I will read the chapter. I will consume the less time and it will provide me an efficient way to finish my syllabus or finish my course when the exam times are there. If you want to take this technique, you can do one thing. If you have short notes, that is a good thing, but those who do not have can do this thing so that they can maintain their rhythm in studying. What you should do is that you have to take a notebook, a rough notebook of your any class, and you have to just make your words about this paragraph and just write down in a notebook. While you will do this, you will summarize the whole chapter in your own words. But when the exam time will be coming, you should read your notes and you will be well prepared for your examination. Hey guys, this is the concept part of the video. So here I will explain you the overview and the introduction of the chapter, because the overview and introduction are the points which give us the key frame or about which give us a detail about the chapter. So this is an important point which you have to read carefully. I will explain them. But before that, let me tell you, we will cover each concept, or we can say 2 concepts in each video. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जब मेरे 2 वीडियो अपलोड हो जाएंगे स्टडी ब्लॉग्स के, आपके पास 4 कॉन्सेप्ट्स रेडी रहेंगे. अब उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अभी हम देखेंगे बुक की व्यू. So let us see the view of book. Guys, in front of you there is the overview paragraph. In this overview paragraph हमें ये समझाने का ट्राई करा जा रहा है कि concept related to the production. This is a highlighted word which I have highlighted just because this word means a lot in terms of overview. This chapter will teach us कि किसी भी प्रोडक्शन के तरीके में क्या क्या कॉन्सेप्ट्स होते हैं. हमने इकोनॉमिक्स की जो डेफिनेशन है 8th क्लास में जो हमने पढ़ा था कि economics is always been related to the services and the production of goods and services. So here production of goods मतलब सामान की प्रोडक्शन को किस तरह से एग्जीक्यूट करा जाता है इस चैप्टर में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे थ्रू अ स्टोरी ऑफ विलेज पालमपुर. एंड ओवरव्यू के अंदर पालमपुर वेयर एज सेवरल अदर एक्टिविटीज such as small scale manufacturing, dairy and transport. These are some of the small scale industry which is practiced in the village Palampur. So this was all about overview. By this we got the idea that the village, in the terms of village, they are trying to explain us कि कौन कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट है जो प्रोडक्शन में बढ़ोतरी करते हैं. यानी कि हमें कॉन्सेप्ट्स के अंदर ही हमें ये एक्सप्लेन करा जाएगा कि किसी भी फैक्ट्री में किसी भी चीज़ का प्रोडक्शन मनी के थ्रू कैसे होता है. सो होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म ओवरव्यू. सेकेंड थिंग आती है इंट्रोडक्शन. स्क्रीन पे आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन का पैराग्राफ मिल जाएगा. वहाँ एक वेल कंसर्न्ड विलेज की इमेज हमें दिखाई देती है जहाँ पर 3 किलोमीटर अवे पर ही रायगंज करके एक मार्केट है. देयर इज अ मार्केट बिकॉज ऑफ द मार्केट इकोनॉमिक रन्स एंड द विलेज इकोनॉमी ग्रोथ is the main important factor which lead to the growth of economy in the village. Electrical power, tube wells and also irrigation are the main factor which influence the farming. Farming is the main occupation here, and the village has about 450 families belonging 80 to the upper caste, and 1/3 of the population is ST, which is SCSTs, which is Dalits. So here we have got the description. As you can see, a line has been drawn to the paragraph. The description above shows that Palampur has a fairly developed system of road transport, electricity, school, health center. Compare this facility with those in your nearby village. If we compare, we can come to a conclusion that this is a very well developed village which has a greater economy, greater knowledge, greater health support and education, which lead to the development of economic. So these were the 2 points which I have discussed here. In our next video, we will discuss the organization of the production and farming in Palampur. So be with me till the end of this series. We will finish all the concepts. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video useful for you, and especially the students which are in the 9th class. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and tell me in the comments what are your doubts and what are the concepts which you need to be revised or which you have doubts. Also subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter accounts. Links are given in the description. Go. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.